Ford Focus 2, 2008 to 2011, location, fuse and relay panel diagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. The first fuse panel is located inside the car, under the glove compartment. There's the plastic bolts that you have to remove it on the left and right side of the fuse panel. Remove those two plastic screws to lower the fuse panel. You can find fuse panel diagram in the video description below. The second fuse and relay panel is located in the engine compartment on the left side of the car. You have to remove that plastic cover from the fuse panel. You just have to release it from the tabs. You can find fuse panel diagram on the plastic cover or in the video description below. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.